Hi guys, Happy New Year everybody, and thank you so much for being here. Yeah, I mean, I think my first experience of being on stage was with Filmfare when I had gone with my dad, held his hand and waddled up on stage to present an award to, was it Shahrukh or was it Karan? I think it was Karan for Kuch Kuch Hota Hai. I remember that also. Yeah, so that was my first experience of being on stage, and a few years later, little did I know that I would be going up on the Filmfare stage and winning my debut award for Dabang. So we have a very, very long association. Filmfare has always been very supportive towards me, and we've shared a great journey so far. It's been 5 years now. I don't know where time has flown. It really does not feel like that. All of you have been with me on this entire journey, so I'd like to thank you all as well. But yeah, it's been fantastic, and I'm really happy to be here today with Filmfare and Britannia.
Sonakshi, how important is an award for you? And secondly, other than your films that you've done, any such films that you have in mind and you're kind of like vouching for them this year?
I think for any actor, any kind of appreciation is fantastic, be it from the audience, be it as in the form of getting an award, be it from friends, family, from fans, from anyone. So I think any kind of appreciation is always welcome. Yeah, and I guess, that is what we work towards, I guess, that we make an impression on people and they remember us for the films that we've done, for the work that we do, for the people that we are. So awards, appreciation, they all kind of go hand in hand, and it's a form of appreciation, I guess. But sorry, what was the second part of your question?
Second is, other than the films that you've done, any other films from 2015 that you're kind of vouching for them this year? And you
vouching,
feel
I really think we had, like Jitesh said, we had some wonderful performances in the last year, and films that went one step ahead and gave people something different to watch on screen were the ones that were the clear winners. I feel Varun did a fantastic job in Badlapur. The entire team of Badlapur, Nawazuddin, Huma, Varun, Divya Datta, Yami, everyone was fantastic. Other than that, Ranveer in Bajirao, I mean, he was, I think, something else. I have no words for it. I think he's going to sweep all the awards this year, without a doubt. And yeah, so I mean, we had some great films, and I'm looking forward to what the film industry has to offer next year. And I'm excited for my next two films, which are Akira and Force, which are also very different from what I've been doing so far. So yeah, a lot of exciting stuff coming up. Yeah.
क्या आपको नहीं लगता कि ओवर द इयर्स बहुत सारे अवार्ड फंक्शन होने लगे हैं और अवार्ड फंक्शन ज़्यादातर टीवी इवेंट बन के रह गए हैं, उनकी क्रेडिबिलिटी को लेकर बहुत सारे सवाल उठने लगे हैं, कई एक्टर्स भी कहने लगे हैं अब तो कि नहीं, हमें अवार्ड फंक्शन में नहीं जाना। इस बारे में आप क्या सोचती हैं? और दूसरा सवाल कि हमने सुना है कि आपके पापा पे एक बायोपिक बन रही है, तो उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए।
बायोपिक नहीं बन रही, वो एक अपनी बायोग्राफी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, बुक लॉन्च कर रहे हैं, जिनकी उनकी पूरी लाइफ की स्टोरी है। सो वेरी एक्साइटेड, वो 6 जनवरी को रिलीज़ होगी। आपके पहले सवाल का आंसर मैं अपने लिए बात कर सकती हूँ। मी पर्सनली आई एम वेरी हैप्पी, मुझे बहुत सारे शोज मिल गए परफॉर्म करने के लिए, तो द मोर द मेरियर फॉर मी।
What about the credibility factor and TV event like?
I think to each his own. I mean, it's a very dicey question. I don't want to. I'm sitting at the Filmfare dais and I don't want to say anything wrong, so I think I'll just skip it.
You're like a balance between art and mart. So what is your take? Yeah, art and mart.
Wow.
So yeah, what is your take on it?
I think that's a good balance to strike. I think that is something that unknowingly I've achieved, and if people accept me and appreciate me in both kinds of cinema and both kinds of film, I think that's a very, very good sign for me as an actor. So I'll continue to work hard and try and please both the art and the mart section, as you
And
said.
you are also into music now. So yeah, Aaj Mood Iskalik Hai was amazing.
Thank
so
you.
do we see any other music videos coming up in 2016?
I want to, yeah. I didn't want this to be a one-off thing. It's something that I'm really passionate about. It's something that I really love to do. So I don't want it to be. The response has been fantastic for my first song. So that kind of gives me the confidence to go ahead and do more in that space. So definitely, I would love to do more songs, sing more songs, make the kind of music videos that I want to feature in, and stuff that I don't regularly get to do, you know. So even if you see the video, it's not something that I've done in any of my movies. So it's basically a passion project for me, something that I will do because I love to do it. Yeah.
आपको बेस्ट डेब्यू का अवार्ड मिल चुका है फिल्म फेयर की तरफ से, लेकिन बेस्ट एक्टर का अब तक आपको नहीं मिला है, तो कितनी कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी आपको इस अवार्ड के लिए?
बहुत ज़्यादा कड़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ेगी. एंड आई थिंक एक चांस मिला था बट वो छूट गया. नो वरीज, बट आगे जाकर अभी बहुत समय बाकी है, बहुत काम करना है, अच्छा काम करना है, मेहनत से काम करना है. एंड जब इन्हें लगेगा कि आई एम वर्दी इनफ, आई एम श्योर दैट दे विल गिव इट टू मी. आई एम नॉट गोइंग एनीवेयर.
सोनाक्षी, जैसे जानते हैं हम लोग कि सबसे प्राचीन अवार्ड कह सकते हैं हम फिल्म फेयर को, सबसे पहला जिसे, और बहुत सारे एक्टर्स इंस्पायर हुए हैं फिल्म फेयर को देख के कि इस मंच पे जाने का चांस मिले और ये अवार्ड मिले. आपका वो कौन सा एक पल था कि आपको लगा कि परफॉर्मेंस देखते वक्त कि काश मुझे भी एक बार चांस मिल जाए स्टेज पे जाके परफॉर्मेंस देने का? कौन सा वो एक परफॉर्मेंस था, अगर आप नॉस्टैल्जिक होके हमें आंसर दें?
ये मेरे लिए एक बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट सवाल है, क्योंकि ग्रोइंग अप आई नेवर वांटेड टू बी एन एक्टर. तो ना तो मैं फिल्मों पे बड़ी हुई हूँ, ना तो मैं शोज़ देखकर बड़ी हुई हूँ. तो आई कांट रियली थिंक ऑफ दैट वन लाइव परफॉर्मेंस. बट देयर वर टू इंस्टेंसेस. मैं स्कूल में थी या कॉलेज में थी, और मैंने स्कूल में चक दे रिलीज़ हुई थी, और एक हॉकी प्लेयर, वो एक लड़की थी जो सबसे जो पंजाबन थी, हट्टी कट्टी सी, उसे देखकर मुझे लगा क्या ये रोल में मज़ा आएगा यार, ये रोल प्ले करने में. तो मुझे दैट इज़ द फर्स्ट इंस्टेंस आई रिमेंबर दैट आई एवर इमेजिन माई सेल्फ, शायद मैं स्क्रीन पर हो पाऊँ तो शायद ये रोल कर पाऊँगी. अदर देन दैट, आजा नचले मूवी थी माधुरी जी की. आई वॉच्ड हर डांसिंग इन दैट फिल्म एंड आई वाज लाइक floored. I was like, अगर नाचूंगी तो ऐसे ही नाचूंगी, वरना नहीं नाचूंगी. And that I think was a really inspiring moment for me, you know, to kind of dance, to do well, all of that.
सो आप ऐसे ही दबंग परफॉर्मेंसेस देते रहें. ऑल द बेस्ट.
Thank you very much. कोशिश जारी है.